Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. BB Naija lockdown. Nengi becomes first head of house, chooses Watoni as deputy. Nengi has become the first head of house for the BB Naija lockdown house. She emerged after a keenly contested head of house game. The game that looked like the Ludo game but printed on the floor became a game of luck that did not work well for Ozo, Lilo, Lekon and Lucy. After they were all eliminated, Nengi and Neo had to slug it out in a tie that took them several rounds of the game before a winner emerged. As announced at the show launch, the head of house would enjoy the full benefits of a special lounge and would also have the chance to elect a deputy. After Nengi was declared the winner by Biggie, she was asked to exercise the power in her new office by selecting a deputy. She did not need deep thinking before selecting Watoni as a deputy. The two of them will now enjoy all the benefits that go along with their new office. Nengi was, however, summoned to the diary room by Biggie shortly after her announcement. Okay, guys, if you've not been following, Nengi is now the new head of house for the week. She becomes the first head of house and the first female head of house for this season. Stay tuned to my channel as I'll be bringing you more G's from the BB Naija house.